Good morning, students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine and taking care of yours and being safe at home. Welcome back. This is your Neha ma'am, and today we are going to begin with the chapter 11, Force and Friction. What is force? Force, of course, we cannot see a force with our eyes. We can only feel the effects of force or the changes that can be brought by applying a force. When we define a force, it's enough to speak that a push or pull is called a force, but the whole phenomenon doesn't lies in these two words. Okay, these two words, a push or a pull, are not enough to explain a force. In our daily basis, how many activities we perform in our daily life, that and almost every work, almost every activity, we apply force in it, whether it's the work of our mothers when they're cooking food in the kitchen. Even then they apply force on the vegetables, sometimes in cutting the veggies, or making dough for chapatis. And daily basis, of course, and whatever works we also do in a daily basis, we also, when we write something, we are applying force on it. When we are walking, we are applying force. So almost everything which we are doing in a day is somehow containing this word force. What can a force do? A force can make an object move. A force can move a moving object stop. A force can change the speed of a moving object. A force can accelerate an object. The larger the force on the object, the greater the acceleration. If the mass stays constant, the larger the mass of the object, the smaller is the acceleration if the force stays constant. According to Newton's second law of motion, force is equals to mass into acceleration. A force can change the direction of a moving object. A force can change the shape of an object. A force can be measured with a Newton spring balance. The SI unit for measuring force is the Newton. Basically, there are two types of forces: contact forces and non-contact forces. A contact force, when an object or a material exerting the force touches the object or material on which the force acts. That means contact force, जैसे कि नाम से ही समझ में आ रहा है, we can understand with the name, when the force which is applied when the two objects are in contact with each other, that is called a contact force. And examples of and non-contact forces, when the two objects are not touching each other and a force which is exists between those two objects is called a non-contact force. Contact forces. Impact force, when a moving object collides with a stationary object, an impact force is exerted by one object on the other. यानी कि मान लीजिए अगर कोई चीज़ चल रही है, वन पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज़ मूविंग, और वो बाई चांस किसी ऐसी चीज़ से टकरा जाती है जो रुकी हुई है, तो ऑफकोर्स जो रुकी हुई चीज़ है वो भी उसके ऊपर एक फोर्स एग्जर्ट करेगी, जिसकी वजह से वो चीज़ भी आपकी रुक जाएगी. स्ट्रेन फोर्स, व्हेन सम मटीरियल्स आर स्क्वेश्ड, स्ट्रेच्ड, twisted or bent, they exert a force which act in the opposite direction to the force acting on them. These materials are called elastic materials, and the force they exert when they are deformed is called a strain force. Impact force. The example of impact force is there in front of you. When a moving object collides with a stationary object, an impact force is exerted by an object on other. Strain force, when some materials are squashed, stretched, twisted or bent, they exert a force which act in the opposite direction to the force acting on them. These materials are called elastic material, and the force they exert when they are deformed is called a strain force. When the force applied to the material is removed, the strain force exerted by the material restore the deformed material to its original shape. स्प्रिंग या फिर अगर किसी रबर बैंड को आप स्ट्रेच करते हो, तो आप उस पर एक फोर्स लगा रहे हो उसके अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. ओके, और जब आप उस फोर्स को रिलीज़ करते हो तो वापस से वो अपनी शेप को गेन कर लेता है. इट इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ स्ट्रेन फोर्स. टेंशन, Tension is a strain force that is exerted by a stretched spring, rope or string. At each end, the tension force acts in the opposite direction to the pulling force. आप किसी स्प्रिंग को या किसी रोप को जब आप स्ट्रेच करते हो तो ऑफकोर्स आप उसके अपोजिट एंड्स पे अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में फोर्स अप्लाई करते हो. ओके, so at each end the tension force acts in the opposite direction to the pulling force. Non-contact forces. Non-contact forces, the forces which act without touching. दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बीच में अकर होने वाली वो फोर्स जो बिना एक दूसरे को टच किए एग्जर्ट होती है उसे हम नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स बोलते हैं. जैसे कि मैग्नेटिक फोर्स, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स और ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. Magnetic force, a magnet has north seeking pole and south seeking pole, known as north pole and south pole. If you pick up two magnets and bring them together, you will feel a force either pushing or pulling each other. The same poles attract each other while different poles repel each other. Electrostatic force. If certain electrical insulator materials are rubbed on an electrostatic charges develop on them, similar charges repel each other while opposite charges attract each other. Gravitational force. It is the force that exists between any two masses because of their mass is called gravitational force. यानी वो फोर्स जो किन्हीं भी दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बीच में उनके मास की वजह से अकर करती है या एग्जिस्ट करती है उसे हम ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स कहते हैं. नाउ व्हाट आर द फोर्सेस ऑफ Force of friction is the force which opposes the motion of an object over a surface. यानी जब when two objects are rubbed against each other, यानी जब दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स आपस में एक दूसरे के अगेंस्ट रब करते हैं तो उन दोनों के बीच में जो फोर्स एक्सर्ट करती है उसे हम फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन कहते हैं. द फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन एक्ट्स बिटवीन द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड द surface. Example, a ball rolling on ground gradually slows down and comes to rest due to force of friction between the ball and the ground. आपको पता जब भी आप श्योर आप सबने क्रिकेट खोला होगा, फुटबॉल खेली होगी, जब आप बॉल पे फोर्स लगाते हो तो वो बॉल कुछ डिस्टेंस तक ट्रैवल करती है उसके बाद स्टॉप हो जाती है. तो जिस फोर्स की वजह से वो स्टॉप होती है उसे ही हम फ्रिक्शन फोर्स कहते हैं. Here I end with the first session of your chapter. Very soon I will be giving you the second session also. So thank you and have a nice day.